Hey everybody, welcome back. Tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow is bridesmaid brunch where I will be able to give all of my girls their proposal boxes. I am so excited. Welcome back. My name is Kristen and I have been planning this brunch for literal months now and I can't believe it's finally here. This is definitely one of the things that I've been looking forward to most since becoming engaged. I'm just so excited for a really fun and cute time with the most important ladies to me, and I hope to be able to spoil them a little bit tomorrow. So as you can see, I have tons of groceries here. I'm planning a lot of yummy dishes for tomorrow. I got some juices and champagne for the mimosa bar. I also got tons of fruits. I got some strawberries, some raspberries, and some blueberries, and these will go on the French toast board along with some charcuterie cups that I'm going to be making. I also got some chopped walnuts. These are also for the French toast board. And then the bread that I'll be using for the French toast is just artisanal brioche, and obviously eggs for the French toast batter. Some bagel options as well. I got plain and I got blueberry, and I also got them some cream cheese to go with it. And then, like I said, I'm doing charcuterie cups, so I got a few things for that. I got some chocolate covered pretzels, some crackers, some cheese, and I totally didn't know this, but Lucerne apparently sells cubed cheese, already cubed cheese, and I'm just like, oh, okay, I'm buying that because that's one less step that I have to do myself. So these are amazing. And then I also got a small slice of brie. There's only going to be 6 of us, so I think this is probably enough, especially with the other 2 cheeses. And then I just got a variety meat pack as well. And then I also got some flowers. Whoops. To put on the table. So I got 2 dozen white roses, and I got some baby's breath. I also got a second baby's breath because I actually wasn't sure. So I've been debating switching out the Christmas tree pieces to decorate the top of my boxes, or like the outside of my boxes with. If you watched that video, you know that I bought some, or not bought, but I had some little flocked Christmas tree pieces that I stuck into the twine as part of decoration for the boxes. But I had some time to think about it, and so I was just thinking maybe fresh flowers might look nicer. So I just bought the extra baby's breath. But if I end up staying with the Christmas tree pieces for the boxes, then these will just go in the vases. So tonight, my plan is to get everything as set up as possible so that I don't have to do so much tomorrow. I'm already going to be doing a lot. I'm waking up at 6 tomorrow morning to get started. Everyone will be here at 11. So I'm already waking up early. I'm just going to try and get as much done tonight as possible, which means setting up the table, taking out all of the platters and serveware for the breakfast bar, or the brunch bar, I should say. And then I will also be taking care of the flowers as well, trimming the stems and putting them in nice little vases. Yeah, so that's a lot to take care of, and it's already almost 11 o'clock, so we need to get started. Let's go. I did. I just, yeah, used six, no, was it six? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, seven roses each for all of these arrangements, and then not even one full like bouquet thing of baby's breath. So that's as stuffed as I think I want them. And so I'm planning on putting 2 of them on the table, and then one over on our little bar top, kind of in the middle of some of the other items. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to do that, see how that looks, and then play around with it if I need to. All right, so I have this humongous box of like just decor things that I bought for my best friend's bridal shower earlier this year. It's all stuffed in there, things from when Tom proposed. That's all in here, so I thought that this would be a really good opportunity to reuse some of the things, but I have not opened it for a few months, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so I will be using these. These I got off of Amazon. These are gonna go as part of the mimosa bar. So these are just plastic ones. I just figured we don't need real ones, especially, spoiler alert, if you haven't seen, but I'm getting my girls real like glass ones with their names on them in their boxes. So we have some of these. Oh, here's more, and I think I have some more in a different cabinet. And for the proposal, Tom did buy these real wax fake candles, which are beautiful. They're so much nicer than like the plastic ones, because the real wax, like, you can just tell the difference between plastic and real wax. I don't remember if the battery is still in this one or not. Nope, it's not, but that's kind of probably okay, since the brunch is in the afternoon. It's 11 to maybe 2-ish, so I don't think we're going to need candlelight. But we'll see if I end up using these on the table just for decoration. The thing that I do want in here happens to be at the very bottom. I want to use this garland, which this was from the proposal, and it was on the ground, so I am going to have to sanitize this before it goes on the table. So I'm going to have to do that, but I kind of want this as a runner to go on the table, like snake on the table. So that's the vision. I don't know if I'll need both of them, but we'll see. All right, and the last thing out of this box that I'm planning on using are these heart boards. I actually, these are really heavy. I bought these during Valentine's last year at Target, and they still have the tags, or not the tags, but the little labels on them. It's Threshold, which is a Target brand. Yeah, so I have 2 small ones and then 2 big ones. I actually don't think I will need all 4. But yeah, I bought these during Valentine's to prepare for the bridal shower, which wasn't until July. Wait, was it July? June, I think. So I held on to these for a long time after buying them, but I'm glad that I will probably get to reuse them, some, if not all of them, tomorrow. We'll see if I can find a place for them. I think those are thoroughly clean now. So now I am going to start setting up the table. It's almost midnight. I think we're almost there. We'll see. Got these water bottles from Daiso. They were, I think, $2.75 each or something like that. But these are so cute. I've actually always wanted these. They're made for water, but I'm gonna end up putting the juices for the mimosas in here. Ooh. Actually, that one was kind of hard to open. But hopefully it'll be okay. Let's see. And then you just close it like that. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna break a nail. But yeah, so that's actually very hard. I think what I'll do is once the juices go in, they're just gonna stay open like that. But I bought two because I bought two juices. I bought orange juice and then I also bought Pog, which if you don't know what that is, it's passion orange guava, and it's the best thing ever. That one was easier. So yeah, I do need to clean them out before I actually put the juice inside, but I'm just kind of placing things to see how it's gonna look, and then yeah, see if I need to rearrange things. Okay, well, I finished setting up. My camera died. Love that for me. I'm out of breath because I actually did a lot. I finished all the setups. That's about as much as I can do for tonight. I mean, it's almost 1. I'm waking up in 5 hours. Yay.